Hi, I'm Chung Song at PopcornSAR. Our Functional Cluster IDE is based on web. The Functional Cluster IDE provides function cluster modules like outcome, execution management, diagnostic, and UCM, and so on. And the IDE also provides other utilities such as source code, editor, and Linux terminal, and build environment. Why Functional Cluster IDE? First, no installation tools. Second, save hardware resources. Third, no waiting times to build. Next time, I will show how to use this Functional Cluster IDE.
Hi, I'm Jong-Hyun Lee at PopcornSAR. Now you can see the design is already completed. Now I will show you how to build adaptive application using our FSys IDE. So you can upload your ARXML, just simple drag and drop to our FSys IDE. Now you can see your ARXML is already uploaded. So next step is generating the source code. So this log is printed, and you can also check the C++ based header files, and the JSON file is already generated. The next step is user integration code. So you need to write your application code, integration code, using these generated header files like this. So after integration code, now you can ready to build your application. We have using Yocto project, you can build your application. So after build is completed, you can download the image to your local system. Now you are ready to run your image to your target board. And if you have any interesting or question, so please contact us. Thank you.